1, 2, 3. Hey guys, this is Rob again with Lukat. Now, this one here, oh my gosh, this one's got a story. This is an old Cadillac hood. I found it in a junkyard that's got a lot of goats on there. Guess what the goats were doing? Look at that. Get up close and get this area right here. We're gonna clean that up right here. Okay? Get it up close. Are you getting all that? All right, good. All right. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna demonstrate how to clean this up. Now, the Lukat Fix-It Paint Cleaner is the featured product. It's the one that's gonna remove the oxidation off your ugly paint job. But when it comes to scratches, it will not remove scratches, but it'll remove superficial, light scratches. It'll reduce them so they don't really show. We're gonna show you this on this one. So get a good close-up right here. I'm gonna do the spot right here. So this has got the goats when they, oh yeah, anyways, a bunch of goats were climbing all over this and I said, oh my gosh, I gotta get that one. Anyways, and I forgot to mention in the earlier videos, it's best to use a terry cloth towel. Don't use a microfiber towel for the polishing part of it because it works better with the terry cloth towel. Now I put some on here. We're not gonna remove all the scratches, but we're gonna reduce the scratches and polish them out. Now again, I'm going back and forth. This is the polishing technique. This is where you rub back and forth only, no circles. And you don't have to rub hard. Now I'm applying some pressure, but it's not a lot. Okay, I'm just going back and forth and I'm gonna clean that spot up until it looks good. Okay, remember, this is not about waxing. This is about cleaning and removing the superficial embedded contaminants, the superficial imperfections. This is a great paint correction. Okay, now no paint came off, and the reason why is because this has got a clear coat on it, but look how nice that came out. Okay, now get it up real close so they can see the scratches on it. Now those scratches right there, you can do a cut and buff. If you don't know what that is, it's when you get it, you wet sand it lightly. The problem is with the cut and buff on these modern day clear coats is that the clear coat, it gets very thin, and you don't want thin clear coat because then it begins to blister and peel and erode. So there's a better option. Just do this, get this cleaned up so it reduces what you see right there, okay? Now, I cleaned it. Let's go ahead and put a sealer wax on here. Now this is carnauba with polymers, okay? So this right here, when I put this on, I'm gonna do the circles. Look at that. Wax on and wax off. I'm practicing my karate. All right, so I'm gonna work this in. I'm gonna get it into the paint. And you know, like some paint jobs, it just seems like the stuff, like it just drinks it up. It's weird. Every time I put this on, it just like soaks right in. Okay, so we put the wax on. We use the cleaner to remove the imperfections, reduce the ugliness, reduce the scratches. And now we got the sealer wax. We put that on. We're gonna let that dry. This is a carnauba polymer blend. It's very good. Now look at it. Now, if you look up close, you can see the imperfections, but take a step back and start catching the reflection. Because now with the paint, it's clean and reflecting. You notice all those scratches a lot less. So again, use the cleaner. This cleaner is amazing, guys. You can use it for so many things. You can use it to clear up your headlight lenses. You can use it for your windows. You know when your car the windows go up and down, you get the dust streaks. That'll remove the dust streaks. You just gotta polish, okay? Remember, it's not a wax, it's a paint cleaner. But look how nice that came out. I'm gonna tilt it so you can see it better. Okay, you got it? Look at that. Look how beautiful that came out. Okay, is it perfect? No. But you have to get it repainted? No. All right, but there it is, man. Okay, we're gonna get another hood. We're gonna show you guys another issue. Again, for light scratches, if you have goats, they jump all over your vehicle, you can do this. All right, guys. All right.